Guys, welcome to the third part in this series of HTML for beginners. Today, we will learn about HTML attributes. So what are HTML attributes? Attributes are special words used inside the opening tag of an element to add some additional characteristics or properties to it, such as the width, height, font color, font size, font family, alignment, direction, or anything. For example, here we have added an align attribute in the p tag to align my web page in the center. Or we can also add the attributes in empty tags such as HR tag to define its size and width. Now let's write some HTML code to understand the usage of some attributes. Here I have written some code in the HTML and have simultaneously opened it in the web browser. So till now it is not at all formatted. Now we will add some attributes to format our text. First of all, let's try to align our heading using attributes to the center. So here in the h1 tag, we will add an attribute named align and we'll fix it to center. Now let's save our file and reload it. So you can see that now it has shifted to the center of the page. We can also change the background color of the page by adding bg color attribute in the body tag. So let's write bg color equal to yellow. Save it and reload. So the color of the page has also changed. You can also add pink color. Save our file and reload it. So the color of the page has now changed to pink. Now we will try to change the color of the text. For that we need to add a font tag and inside the font tag you can specify the color. For example, I want blue color. Save it and reload. So the color of all the text has now changed to blue. Suppose I want to keep the color of this line to red. So we can add another font tag here and specify its color to red. Let's close it. Save and reload. So the color of this line has changed to red. Similarly, we can change the color of this line to green. So you can see that the color of this line has now changed to green. Let's try to add some attributes in our HR tag also. We can add size 10 and the width can be 50%. Save it. So you can see that the size of this line has increased a little bit and its width has become 50% of the original. You can increase the width to 80% also. Save it and reload. So now the width has increased a little bit. Many such tags and attributes to explore. We will learn about some of them in the coming videos. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for watching.